Hey, this is Matt, Mad Boosting. Today we're going to go over my do-it-yourself oil catch can that I set up myself. There's some videos in the past that show this oil catch can kit that I put together. Pretty much all I did was buy 2 catch cans on eBay. Got some TOC hose, transmission oil cooler hose with 1/2 inch inner diameter, and I used that to go to and from the areas, from the valve cam cover to where the PCV is, and another one that goes to the inlet tube going to the turbocharger. I will show you them, and we will check the oil catch can for crud. So far I've had the oil catch can on for about 5,000 miles. My truck now has 6,500 miles, so yeah, just over 5,000 miles I've had the catch cans on, and I checked them maybe 4,000 miles ago, so it's been a while since I checked the catch can, so we'll see how much crud's in there. More to follow. Here's catch can number 1 on the passenger side. I had made my own bracket. Here's the catch can. This part, the in, comes from the cam cover, and the out goes to the inlet. So there you go. It prevents all that oil nastiness from getting in your intake and coking your intake valves. And here's the driver's side catch can. I made a bracket right there. There's the catch can. I went from the cam cover and then went to the in area on the in area on the catch can, and the out area of the catch can goes to the inlet tube that supplies air to the turbocharger. Okay, now I'm going to take one catch can off at a time, and we're going to see how much oil and crud I've collected over the last bit. So here we go. I'm going to aim it in the general direction because it's kind of hard to hold a camera at the same time. And I'm going to get a rag to put under the catch can in case oil is really full. It doesn't get on my coils or my cam cover or any of the wiring. So I'm going to put a rag right down in the bottom and start undoing the catch can. Let's see how much crud we catch. Oh yeah, I think we got a lot. We will see. It's been about 4,000 miles. Oh yeah, here we go. Here's the crud we caught, see it? We caught some crud, which would have gone into the inlet and coked the intake valves. So I'm going to take this can and I'm going to dump it down a little further so it's harder to get to and harder to see. So there's the catch can. See if I can set it somewhere where you can see me remove it.